the insanely small line was worth it, I think. I have one already. Alright, so before I end the video, there's a couple things I want to share. Firstly, a new follow-up video, and also picking up the Apple Watch video, will be coming very soon on my new Stories and Vlogs channel. I'm gonna link it down below soon, so that you can see it. And secondly, oh my god, after an entire year and a half, we hit 40 subscribers! Like, seriously, thank you guys all so much for that. If you enjoyed this content and the content that you just watched, please subscribe so we can make it to 50. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys once more for 40 subscribers. I'm like over the moon right now. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.